Have you ever wondered what your brain does while you sleep? You're lying still, silent, eyes closed. But inside your head, something incredible is happening. Your brain is busy, sorting memories, healing the body, and cleaning itself. Let's dive into the fascinating science of your sleeping brain. Sleep isn't just one simple state, it's made of cycles and stages. There are two main types of sleep. Small blue diamond non-REM sleep, light and deep sleep. Small blue diamond REM sleep, when dreams happen. Each night, your brain moves through these stages in 90-minute cycles. During deep sleep, your brain slows down. This is when your body repairs muscles, strengthens the immune system, and builds energy. Then comes REM sleep, where your brain becomes very active, almost like it's awake. This is when you dream. It's also when your brain processes emotions and organizes memories. One of the most powerful things your brain does during sleep is strengthen memories. When you're awake, you learn. But while you sleep, your brain reviews and stores those lessons. It moves information from short-term memory into long-term memory, like saving files on a computer. That's why sleep is crucial for students and anyone trying to learn new things. Even your emotions are regulated during sleep. If you don't sleep enough, you'll feel more anxious, moody, or stressed, and now you know why. And here's something amazing, your brain cleans itself while you sleep. There's a system called the glymphatic system. At night, it clears away waste products, including harmful proteins linked to diseases like Alzheimer's. Think of it like a night janitor, sweeping the brain clean for a fresh start in the morning. Sleep also helps with hormone balance, cell repair, and mental clarity. Missing sleep doesn't just make you tired, it hurts your memory, health, and mood. But what if you don't get enough sleep? Sleep deprivation doesn't just make you tired, it actually changes how your brain functions. The prefrontal cortex, which controls decision-making and focus, becomes weaker. At the same time, the amygdala, your emotional center, becomes more active. This means you're more likely to feel anxious, angry, or sad. Lack of sleep also reduces your brain's ability to form new memories. Over time, poor sleep can even increase your risk of depression, obesity, and brain-related diseases. Another amazing thing is how your dreams reflect your brain's emotional state. During REM sleep, your brain pieces together thoughts, feelings, and even fears into stories. This is what we experience as dreams. Some scientists believe dreams help us solve problems, face unresolved emotions, or even prepare for future challenges. Though mysterious, dreams are a real sign that your brain is busy working even while you're asleep. To help your brain get the best sleep, develop a healthy routine. Avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Blue light confuses your brain and blocks melatonin, the sleep hormone. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your brain loves patterns, and consistent sleep helps it work at its best. Also, avoid caffeine late in the day. It can disrupt the deep sleep your brain needs most. So the next time you think sleep is a waste of time, think again. While you rest, your brain is hard at work, healing, organizing, and protecting you. It's not lazy. It's powerful. Backhand index pointing right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing facts about the human brain.